It's that time of year once again, and it's not getting any cooler around here. In fact, it's probably going to get hotter. Hi, I'm Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV, and it is that time. We are having the Star Spangled sales event going on now through July 8th. We are clearing out the 23s. 24s, believe it or not, they're going to be starting to arrive here in the next few weeks. That means we have to make room for them. The 23s have to go. It's that time of year. If you've been waiting, now through July 8th, absolute best pricing of the year. Come on down. I'm in the middle of putting all the tags up on a lot of these units. Absolutely unheard of pricing. Lowest pricing in the country. Come on down. I'm Brian Dacey. Again, Worldwide RV is located at 4660 East Main Street. That is between Higley and Greenfield. We've got big Super Cs. I got fifth wheels. I've got B-vans. We have little fifth wheels, travel trailers, single axles, double axles. Whatever you're looking for, it'll get you out of the heat. It'll certainly get you out of the heat that's going on today, which I think the high's supposed to be about 110 Pierce. But it's not 110 in the White Mountains. Again, Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager, Worldwide RV. Come on down and take advantage of the savings. Thanks for watching.